Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus Open, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into recovery mode. So, to get started, you want to hold power button and volume up to bring up your boot options, and then swipe down to turn off your phone. Once the device turns off, hold your power button and volume down at the same time. Once you see the logo, you can also let go of the power button, but keep holding volume down. And once the logo actually disappears, which should be right about now, any moment, you can also let go of the volume down. From here, click on your desired language, which for me is going to be English, and then you're presented with the three options that we have access to in the recovery mode, which will consist of format data. Now in here we just have a factory reset, which you confirm by just typing in this code. Then below that we have reboot and power off, which are two different ways of leaving this mode. Now I will be selecting reboot device, confirm it, and this will now bring me back to Android. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.